A user in a low-level hacking forum on Saturday published the phone numbers and personal data of hundreds of millions of Facebook users for free. The exposed data includes the personal information of over 533 million Facebook users from 106 countries, including over 32 million records on users in US, 11 million on users in UK, and 6 million on users in India. It includes their phone numbers, Facebook IDs, full name, location, birth date, bios, and in most of the cases, their email addresses. Hey guys, Vizio here, and I'm back with another video, and I needed to get this video out as soon as I can. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can check if your Facebook data has been leaked to the general public. So before wasting any more of your time, let's just get right into and see if your Facebook account has been a part of the data leak that recently occurred on April 3rd, 2021. So all you need to do is go onto this website, which is called Have I Been Pwned. I'll leave the link to it in the description down below. So the website Have I Been Pwned, which tracks the data breach on the internet, has added Facebook dataset to its collection. As you can see, it shows 521 websites pawned. So as you can see, almost more than 1,000 million accounts have been pawned. You can scroll down and check what are the largest breaches that happened in the past, or you can also check the recently added breach in the Have I Been Pwned system. So this website is maintained by a security analyst, Troy Hunt, who is an Australian web security consultant known for public education and outreach on security topics. So let's get back to the topic. Once you're on this page, all you need to do is type in your email address, which you're using for Facebook account. Just type it in. Click on the spawn button. So if your account is in the clear, you'll get a green page that says good news with the reference on how you can increase security on your account. But if your account details have been leaked, you'll see a red screen just like I do, and it'll say, oh no, pawned. It will tell me how many data breaches the email has been found in and where it may have been pasted to a publicly facing website. So as you can see, it says pawned in 3 data breaches and no pastes. Click on the data breaches and see what does that mean. And you can also click on the subscribe button. If there is any future data leak involving your email address, this website will notify you immediately. And as you can see, this website also provides 3 steps that you can better protect your account. So it says protect yourself using 1 password to generate and have a strong password for each website. So what that means is you have to have a strong password, which is alphanumeric, also includes some special characters, and make sure that each of those passwords are unique. And you can download a trustworthy password manager to keep all of your password in one place so that you do not forget them. Step 2, it says enable 2-step authentication and store the codes inside your 1Password account. So you can go ahead on all of your different email addresses, all of your different accounts. So you can go to Facebook, Reddit, or any of the account where you use your email address, and you can enable 2-step authentication so that whenever someone's trying to log in from your account, even if they have the password, you'll have to give them the approval to get into the account. Step 3, I already explained right now. You can subscribe, and whenever there is a data breach in the coming future, this website will send an email to your email address, and that way you can know if your account has been a part of any new data breaches. So that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. Make sure to share this video with your friends so that they can know if their account has been pawned. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope I will see you in the next one.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you,